What up, YouTube? It's been a while since I posted a video, and you can see old girl is a little dirty. Like I said, I don't ride the bike a lot because, you know, I'm trying to raffle it off and not trying to pile them, you know, put a pile of miles on a bike that somebody's going to win. It's just that it's taking way more time to get to 150 than what I would have expected. But I think a lot of that has to do with, you know, the number of subscribers. You know, it'd be different if I had, you know, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 10,000, 20,000 subscribers, but unfortunately I just don't. And although I ride with, you know, I ride with a club, I didn't want to mix this type of business with, you know, clubs that way. I'm just gonna back her out now. You can see she's, I don't know if you can see, she's dirty because I actually got caught in the rain. So I do like to, you know, run it and, you know, keep everything in good working order, not just have a bike just sitting here on the trickle charger. I try not to just do that. But yeah, so you can see she's still here. Still looking good even when she's dirty. You know, it's funny because we named the bike Vader, so maybe calling her a she is probably not right, but maybe it was just a she Vader. Anyway, so I'm gonna back her out so we could put some water on it, get it clean, and then of course we have looking good. You can see I got a tour pack on there now. I forgot to record it, but yeah, because I just put that on this week, and she's dirty too, so I'll give this one a little bath too. Anyway, see you when I see you. All right, so you can see I found a little bit. So you can see I found a little bit of shade. So you can see I found a little bit of shade. So I'm gonna try to get some water on her real quick. So you can see she starts right up and she looks good. This bike does look very good. I like the chrome, the black and the chrome. That just looks really good together. But anyway, let's get started. Wasting time, burning daylight, especially since I only have but so much shade. All right, so we got our supplies. We got our spray polish. We got, although I won't use the bug remover because I don't have any bugs on the bike, so that's good. Then I have the no scrub rail cleaner. That's good. Then the Harley, the Harley bike soap. This was a gift, so that's why I use it until I use it up. But after that, we'll get to it. Once I spray the no scrub stuff on there for the wheels, we'll just spray them down. look at that chrome shine. You'll see that when I do wash the bike, I wash it in sections. I'll do the front, dry it, then I'll do the middle, dry it, and then I'll do the back, dry it. Then I'll go back through and do the polish. So that's what you see me now, and I just go over it with a wet rag, and I use my blower to blow it down. Now we'll move on to the middle of the bike, and then we'll do the back, and then we'll be done. All right, so now almost done. So the initial wash, as far first wash is done. Now I'll go through and do the wipe down, get everything nice and clean again, and then we'll go through and we'll do the polish, and then after that we are done. She's back shining again and ready to hit the road, looking good. But here you go. That's how she looks. Alright, so I'll come back after I finish the polish. Well, there we go. Now we have our finished product. So she's back in the game. Look at that chrome. That chrome is hitting. I'm telling you, that chrome is hitting. That front wheel looks really good. Chrome in the middle. The chrome in the middle. Got our smoke lens. Here we have the Dancing Hines exhaust. So it's looking good, looking good, looking good. Anybody who's on the sidelines, we need to get in. We got about 90 spots left in the raffle, and I would really like to be able to raffle this bike off by the end of June. So I'm going to do way more videos on this bike, and just on the other bike as well, because I do more stuff on that particular bike. But I would really like to be able to move this bike by July. So again, go to likenewcycles.bigcartel.com, likenewcycles.bigcartel.com. Purchase a hat and be entered into the raffle automatically. So all you have to do is just purchase a hat and you'll be in the raffle automatically. We have the Screaming Eagle heavy breather. Yeah, the bike is really nice. It's a 2015 Street Glide. Picked up from CoPart. Brought it back to life, and the bike runs really strong. Like I said, it has no problem keeping up with my 114. Well, I shouldn't say mine's, but my other friends that have 114s and 117s. This bike has no problem hanging with them and leaving them. So get the feel of the torque. But anyway, anybody on the sidelines, get off the sidelines, go over to likenewcycles.bigcartel.com, purchase a hat, and let's get this bike moved. Come on, people, if you know somebody who needs a bike, pass the information along. I don't do it, but I'm going to start doing it. I have to get serious about actually moving this bike, because I would like to move on to another bike and maybe do a 131 or 128 kit in the next bike that I pick up. But in order to do that, this bike has to move first. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let your friends know about this bike. You've seen it runs strong, it sounds good, and it looks good. So anyway, I'll catch you on the rebound, fellas. And ladies. Sorry, not just fellas. Ladies too. Well, I forgot one other thing that I do, which I know they probably tell you not to do it, is I do take a little tire shine and I put it on the wheel. And I just put it on the outside. I just put it on a rag or a towel and just wipe it on to make sure I get off all of the excess.